से चल करके रेलवे स्टेशन का उद्घाटन करने जा रहे हैं। बिल्कुल, हम सभी अयोध्या वासी लोग आज कृतकृत्य हैं और भगवान रामलला से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि 22 जनवरी
बहुत ही बढ़िया। और कुछ देर में राजकीय तुलसी उद्यान, जहां से हम इस वक्त ये प्रसारण कर रहे हैं, जहां मैं मौजूद हूं, इनफैक्ट मेरे सहयोगी तो तमाम अलग अलग जगहों पर मौजूद हैं, वहां पर भी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का काफिला किसी वक्त पहुंचने वाला है। आपको वहां पर भी लेकर जाएंगे, लेकिन पहले कन्हैया जी के पास चलता हूं। कन्हैया जी, जो राम को लाए हैं वो आज अयोध्या आए हैं।
जय जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम। जो लोग हमें ताना देते थे कि तुम गलत गाना गाते हो, आज वो सत्य हो गया है। और यही गाऊंगा आज मैं। जो राम को लाए हैं हम उनको लाएंगे, जो राम को लाए हैं हम उनको लाएंगे। भारत में फिर से हम भगवा लहराएंगे, भारत में फिर से हम भगवा लहराएंगे। अयोध्या भी सजा दी है, काशी भी सजा दी है, अयोध्या भी सजा दी है, काशी भी सजा दी है। और अभी भी हमारे बाबूजी अनूप जी ने कहा कि कृष्ण और राम एक ही है, तो अब अगली बारी घनश्याम कृपा कर दो, मथुरा भी सजाएंगे, घनश्याम कृपा कर दो, मथुरा भी सजाएंगे। और आज ही के दिन के लिए मैंने एक नया भजन लिखा है, अयोध्या सज गई है सरकार। टाइम्स नाउ के माध्यम से पूरे भारत को मैं सुनाना चाहूंगा। अयोध्या सज गई है सरकार, अयोध्या सज गई है सरकार, अब ना देर लगा, सिंहासन तैयार।
और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का काफिला मित्तल साहब यहाँ पहुंच रहा है। देखिए, अब मेरे कैमरों से देखिए, यहाँ मैं अपना कैमरा अब टर्न कर रहा हूँ उस तरफ जहाँ प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आपको दिखाई देंगे, लोगों का अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए। दोनों तरफ खड़े हुए लोग देखिए एक झलक पाने के लिए अपना अपना मोबाइल निकाल कर इन लम्हों को हमेशा के लिए संजो लेना चाहते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का काफिला, ये देखिए।
Modi. This is the way how people of Ayodhya are excited to witness this historic moment. This is the way how they all are set to witness the moment of 22nd of January. And in fact, there you see Prime Minister in the frame waving towards the people of Ayodhya. Just in your frame, you see Prime Minister who is just waving his hand to the people of Ayodhya. People seem to be excited, showering petals on him, and that is the cavalcade just passing away from this roadshow, making its way towards the most historic railway station. And there you see people are welcoming him along with the petals, the doors, and all the houses are all have been installing the flags of Lord Ram. And there you see the long huge cavalcade. This is the cavalcade of Yogi, CM Yogi Adityanath in your frame. Yogi Adityanath along with Prime Minister Modi. We saw pictures of Yogi and Modi. Yogi Adityanath welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in fact Yogi Adityanath calling this as a historic and a new era of development for the city of Ayodhya. And I still remember that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when this judgment had come, he said to the people of India that it is not about Ram Bhakti, it is not about Rahim Bhakti, it is all about Bharat Bhakti. And this is the vision of New India. This is what Naya Bharat is. This is the vision towards 2047. This is a mission that the country is stepping forward for to become a developed country from a developing one. So this long huge cavalcade making a pass from this particular road heading towards the Ayodhya Dham railway station. Prime Minister will be inaugurating Ayodhya Dham railway station in just a short while from now. Pictures on your TV screens of this huge long cavalcade for which the people of Ayodhya, people of India were waiting. Ayodhya Airport, Ayodhya railway station, the connecting dots of Ayodhya to several other cities of India, and in fact entire country as well. People, happy faces, celebration, dance, song all over the city of Ayodhya. Ayodhya looking as beautiful from this particular road show, and then there was Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath passing from the same route, and now they are heading towards the railway station. But here, people over here are also celebrating the presence of Prime Minister Modi, Yogi Adityanath. They are extremely happy welcoming Prime Minister, Chief Minister. Yes, this is a historic occasion for them, because viewers, it is not just about this particular moment. It is not just about the inauguration of projects, but it is about the wait of 500 years. It is about the struggle of lakhs of people. It is about the sacrifice that the people of India, the people of Bharat have made for Ayodhya, for Ramlala, and now their sacrifices are turning into a huge success, and that is why they tell that this moment they've never thought ever in their life, which they are witnessing right now, and that is why this entire city of Ayodhya is adorned so beautifully, just like a bride, and that is why you can see people over here are now just gathered here to have just a small glimpse of Prime Minister, who just conducted a road show from this particular, the opposite lane from where we are reporting right now, and in a short while from now, after inaugurating the Ayodhya Dham railway station, after flagging off the two of the trains, that is Vande Bharat, after flagging off flagging off the Bharat Yatra train, after flagging off both these trains, Prime Minister Modi along with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be coming towards this particular route, and that is why people are still standing over here just to have a small glimpse of our Prime Minister, because on and on we have been mentioning that apart from this, the historic day of 22nd of January, for which entire world, millions of people are looking for. Ayodhya has been witnessing a history of 500 years, and now that history is going to turn into a reality. That is why this historical moment, Ayodhya had a history, and now it's ready to embrace its glorious future, its significant future of developed era of Ayodhya, and that is what Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, tweeted in the morning yesterday, that this is the developed era of Ayodhya. This is the new era of Ayodhya, the developed era of Ayodhya, and no one would have thought centuries ago, decades ago, that these pictures you will be looking for. We will be reporting from Ayodhya for the consecration ceremony of 22nd of January. We will be reporting from Ayodhya for these inauguration ceremonies, for this massive and grand road shows, showing you the happy, elated, excited people who are extremely excited just to have a short glimpse of Prime Minister Modi, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and of course they all are waiting for that 22nd of January, when the ballroom of Lord Ram will be placed in the Sanctum Sanctorum. Remember, yesterday only the meeting was held in which the idol of Lord Ram was finalized, and these idols are in itself very significant. From 16th to 22nd, several Anushtans and Pran Pratishthas will be carried out, where the hosts, that means Yajmans, will be invited from Kashi Vishwanath, from Prayagraj, from several parts of the country. But of course, Prime Minister Modi will be the main host, will be the Mukhya Yajman, is what the priest told us, and that is why that day will be the most important one, because what we were also told is that in the Garbhagriha, only 5 people will be present in the Garbhagriha at the time when Lord Ram will be placed, at the time of consecration ceremony. That is Prime Minister Modi, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the Governor, and the Chief Priest of the temple, Satyendra